Today's BoundTree.com website training will cover how to look up your order history and status. So once we're at the BoundTree.com website, you'll want to go to the login button, and we're going to move pretty fast here. If we're a little too quick, that's why we put it on video so that you can pause it, take a look backwards, review if you need to, and help you learn at your own pace. We get to our login screen, and you're going to want to use your username and password. Once we have that, you'll get a confirmation really that you've logged in with the welcome message up here. Okay? Everything that you work on that's really proprietary to your account will fall underneath of this drop down list. So if you click on my account, you'll see numerous options. Today we're going to cover the order history and status section. So I can click on order history and status, and we're going to show a list now of the orders that have been placed between December 2011 and May 2012, which was the default that popped up. You'll notice that each order that's located here has two different links. One is to the order itself, the other is to the invoice. So the invoice is going to show you what you've actually been charged and what the invoice is going to show, not necessarily exactly what the order consisted of, because there may be back orders or something else that have not been shipped yet, and therefore you wouldn't have been invoiced for. So we're going to go ahead and click on the invoice for this order. And one thing to point out, you'll see these two open spaces. It's because this order was real recent and the order's in, but we have not invoiced the customer for the order, so it's not going to pop up here yet. We'll go ahead and hit the invoice number, and here you can see that we've got the item number, the product, how many were ordered, how many were shipped, and what they cost, and what you had been invoiced for. At this point, you could also just go look at the actual order by clicking here, or you can go to the back button again, and you'll see this link is the same as that other link, and we can just click on that. Now we're looking at the actual order. Now this will show us if we had a back order or anything. We've got a quantity ordered of 5, quantity shipped of 5, so there's no remaining quantity. If we had a back order here, we would show a quantity ordered of, say, 5, maybe 4 of them had shipped. We would then show 1 more remaining to be shipped here. That's what you get when you look at the order side of the list. So once we're back out here in our main order history and status screen, we can look at a few things in more detail. So we're going to filter this down now to look at all the orders that went to ship 002. I can click on that and just see what orders were shipped to that specific location. Click the view invoices, and they pop up right there. If I wanted to change the address range for invoices, I could do that by clicking these drop-down menus and changing those values. In addition, if I know the invoice, I can actually type the invoice right here and click view invoices, and it will pop up for me. So if I know the invoice number, I can take care of it that way. Well, I hope that helps you find your order in history and status, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.